Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm Nick from Classic Nation, and this is my 65 Impala Super Sport. Today, I'm going to be talking about my 3 favorite things about this car. Number 1 on my list is my brakes. Now, you can't see them behind these aluminum forged wheels. These are forged lines, 19s, but behind here in the front are bare brakes. They're 15-inch rotors. They're 6-piston calipers. They are the Pro Plus model. They're really good brakes, really sticky. They have everything that I need from a stopping perspective, and I just love that setup. On the back, I even have 13-inch rotors, which are pretty big for the backs, and those also have 6-piston calipers. So I've just got a ton of stopping power behind this car, which is really nice. My second favorite thing about my car, I hate to say it, is the engine. Now, I have an LS engine in here. This is an aluminum block 6.2 liter, basically an LS3. I've got a new Texas speed cam. The thing I love most about this engine is the power, the reliability. It starts every time. The fact that it's fuel injected makes it dead reliable. And I just love how it's set up. I love the power. I love everything about it. And again, I know there's a lot of LS haters. I wouldn't change a thing. I wouldn't go a different direction even if I could. I love this engine and everything about it. LS engine.
What's the horsepower specs on it?
I think I had 430 horsepower to the wheels when it was dynoed. That was pre-cam swap, so probably a little bit north of that now, but we'll see. My third favorite thing about my car, the exhaust. All right, those were my 3 favorite things about this car. I've got a ton that I love about it. You'll recall I bought this car when I was 16. I just got a ton of history for me, and I've done everything to it myself, which is great. But yeah, we've got a ton of videos on the channel. We've got a playlist on this car if you want to see more. But for now, I got to get out of here.